Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little treat for you. I got a new Bauer random orbital sander. Yep, I got one because I still got my stuff in boxes. I can't find my stuff. I found a few tools that I've been working with, but I really need one of these, and these are so economic. I run down to Harbor Freight, got it for only $20. I mean, you can't beat the price for something like this. So why don't we open it? Got my trusty knife here, so I'm just gonna open this. And right over here, you get the specifications here in the box, so if you want to pause and look at them, that will be great. So we have instructions right here, instructions, and it looks like we have a little sandpaper so we can start. And then we got the star of the show. So again, this is Harbor Freight. I did own the Chicago one that had Harbor Freight had way back in the days. Again, I don't know where it is, so I'm gonna say that the older one was a very good orbital sander. It was my first orbital sander and I really liked it. However, again, it's in a box somewhere. I can't find it. And so now we have this one. So I think it's an improvement. It's corded. It's not wireless. It has a little container here to contain the dust. It seems here that we have a speed control. You can see it right there. Also, we have the on and on switch. Looks a really good design. Very comfort on the hand. I have small hands, so I'm assuming that somebody with bigger hands, this is going to be very comfortable to use. Also, we got here the pad. You can see. This is because I'm working on something. There's a little dust right there on the workbench. And so, let's try it out. It does bring, again, a sandpaper. This is 80 grit from Bauer. However, what I'm working on, this is too aggressive. So I do have, at least I found them. I do have a collection of different sandpapers that I have been buying throughout the years and stuff. And got Craftsman, you can use Gator, or this one actually is Harbor Freight. So because we're using Harbor Freight, why not use the Harbor Freight brand, right? Let's do that. This is a 220 grit, and that's like a finishing. It's the last one in the packet. As you can see, it is 220. I'm just gonna stick it right there. Remember to align the holes with the holes on the base, and that way dust collection goes well. Okay, I have here a little project I've been working on. This is supposed to be a bird feeder. So, if you can see, there's some stickers in here that I want to get rid of. So let's see if that sander does the job. Alright, at the first try, I feel that this is way more powerful than his predecessor. My hand was like, I mean, the thing was, it vibrates a lot. Like, there's a lot of vibration in it. I would have to try it like in a bigger piece or something like that. This is a little bit uncomfortable, but the goal was to just remove the stickers, which, by the way, it did the job. You can see that the stickers no longer are there. The surface is really smooth. I try to kind of go around here, but it's a little bit uncomfortable just because this is a little small. If I didn't have this frame, maybe it would be a little bit different to work with it, but because the frame is interfering with the sander, it's a little bit difficult to work with. But it did the job. It took this away. I honestly don't need to sand it, just because, again, this is just a rough thing that I'm going to put outside in the garden. It's just a design I created. I don't know, there's nothing special about it. You can see here from the back, it also has like these little feet. I use pocket holes to do the frame, and then just put little flaps in there that I found in my little stash of wood that I had sitting over there. But I ran out of wood, and I had to run to the store and buy some more, so I have new pieces of wood that I'm going to be working with. But there again, the thing, let's see, the dust collector. The dust collector situation here, I understand from other videos that I did some research that it's a little bit difficult to take out. So that might be true, because I'm not too good with my hands. Okay, after a few hard work here, I finally got the plastic container out. As you can see, little dust was collected, so, but then again, I didn't sand that much. So this is very hard to take out, but I mean, after pulling a little and wiggling, I could take this thing out. Let me see if it's too difficult to put it back in. No, not a problem. It's just that it has to just be pressed there. There you go. So there you are. That's the Bauer from Harbor Freight. If you ask me, do I recommend it? Well, if you're starting out and you don't have an Orbital sander, this could be a great starting point. I guess the pros are not going to be happy or way too happy with it, because it vibrates a lot. It has a lot of power, though. I'm going to say that. I mean, compared to the other one, the old one, I feel it has more power. This container, I don't like that it's too tight. But that's probably because the vibration, if it wasn't too tight, the vibration would take this off easily. So it has a point. But other than that, it works perfectly. And then you have, obviously, here the control. I use it on the max. Maybe I should have not used it on the max position, because it was very powerful. But usually everybody use it on the max position. It's very rare that you're going to use something that it goes a little bit less than that. Let's try that. Let's see, that's one. That's very low. Then you got 2. This is 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there you go. That's the Bauer from Harbor Freight. Guys, if you like what you see, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. Share it with your family and your friends. And thank you for coming in. And I catch you in my next video. Goodbye, guys.